Hello, I am going to give a tutorial on how to access Academic Search Complete from the URI library. So first, go to URI University Libraries and click on Articles and Databases. You will now come to an A to Z list of all the databases, and Academic Search Complete is the first one, so you can just click on that. It should bring you right to the face of the database. And you can use this for free with your university library's login. So what Academic Search Complete offers is citations and full text journals and magazines, along with a wide variety of peer-reviewed journals. Covers a wide range of academic subjects, including arts, humanities, technology, art, and social sciences. And it covers information from 1990s to present. So this database would be helpful for a student looking to write a research paper, or researchers looking to find other peer-reviewed literature on their subject. So today I'm going to act as if my research topic is the relationship between socioeconomic status and literacy, and an urban or rural setting. So in the first text box, I'm going to put literacy, or capital OR, reading level. I'm putting reading level in quotation marks because it is a phrase, and we want the database to search it as one, as together instead of two words. And I put the or in there because I'm looking for either literacy or reading level. So that is a Boolean operator within a text box. So in the next text box, I'm going to put socioeconomic status, again in quotation marks right there. I'm going to do or income or earnings. And for earnings, instead of doing earnings with an S, I'm going to do that there, do a truncation, so it'll show me results for earning or earnings. Then in the last box, I'm going to urban and all caps rural. I'm sorry, I'm actually going to change this, and I'm going to do effective literacy or reading level in socioeconomic status in the United States. So what I'm actually going to do here is I'm going to do United States, properly capitalized, and in quotation marks, because again, we want the database to search for United States as a phrase, not as the words United and States. So then I'm going to go down. So we use the Boolean operators here using or and we use truncation at the end of earnings. And then I'm going to go down here, and I'm going to select peer reviews under the limit your results section. And then I'm going to hit search. So that gives us 805 articles, which is a fair amount. So right now, if you can see, it is categorized by date newest. I'm going to click on that drop down and change it to relevance, so we get the articles, the peer-reviewed articles most relevant to our search. So if you see here, efficacy of the teaching early literacy and language curriculum with preschools from low-income families. So we have socioeconomic status here, and the word income, and literacy here. So a few more ways to narrow down our search is we are going to go here to limit to, and we're going to say references available, which means we only want journals or articles where they give us the reference. All right, so that limited it a lot, limited it to 102 from 805, but we're going to narrow it down even more. If you see here, publication date, this is from 2000 to 2024, and we are going to say that we only want things put out in the last decade, so we're going to change that to 2014 to 2024. You can click anywhere on the page, and it will update it for you, and there you go. It narrowed it down even more to only 52 results. If you can see, the first article that we already saw there is still there, but there's less results. So if we click on this first one, say it gives us our authors, our source, which we said we wanted, so we can cite it. the type of article, and some subject terms so we can look up different things that kind of have to do with this topic if we want to head in a different direction. Geographic terms, United States, which is good because we said that's what we wanted. And then the abstract so we can read that to see if it is something that fits into our research.